Hello, instant fix repairs here. This is a 1999 Jeep Wrangler and a crank shaft position sensor. After I ran diagnosis, the vehicle won't start, and I had to just take my time to find the position of the crankshaft sensor. And this is the harness. The harness is just right here, and yeah, that's it there. That's it right there. Yeah, that's the crank sensor there. Just some 210 bolts and nuts, and you're good. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and share so we can get more videos from us. Sign up.